So, I want to just have talk about the health problems that are caused by sexually transmitted diseases. So, health problems caused by sexually transmitted diseases. So, this one is more of like trying to look at the effects. Okay, effects. You're trying to look at the effect. That's the signs and symptoms, right? Okay, that's sexually transmitted disease will basically have on health of someone that is affected. So what we have, it can actually lead to serious health problems. All right. First of all, you have to acknowledge that. So those health problems are classified based on the type of infection that the person is having. Do you understand? So we'll just quickly look at some of them. So if you're having infections from chlamydia trachomatis, it's a bacteria. It can cause pelvic inflammatory disease. That's inflammation of the uterus, of the fallopian tubes, of the ovaries. So later on now, the person is trying to conceive and there are problems. Can cause ectopic pregnancy, can cause a lot of pain in the pelvis, right? You can also have infection from gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is a bacteria. It can also cause pelvic inflammatory disease, can cause infertility, can cause joint pain, and of course you have all those wounds in your body, so there's now high risks of what you having HIV and AIDS because your body is kind of like open, of course, right? Syphilis is a bacteria, can cause organ damage, all right, blindness, dementia. It can even be passed to your baby, causing a lot of issues in your baby. Genital herpes, there's a whole lot of sores on your genitals, right? Then it can spread to the baby, causing a lot of issues too. Vitamin B and C is liver damages. Liver cells could die, leading to scar tissues, which is known as liver cirrhosis. Okay, human papilloma virus can cause warts in different parts of the body. Okay, HIV and AIDS, of course, all of us know it makes your immune system weak, thereby predisposing you to having more disease conditions. Then trichomoniasis is a parasite. Okay, can cause vaginal irritation, cause a lot of wounds in the vagina, and there's now more risks of you having HIV and AIDS. Okay, so long-term complications in general, these infections go to now make you infertile. They can cause cancer, they can cause neurological damage, they spread to the brain and they affect your nerves. They can cause liver failures, that's the hepatitis B and C. Then HIV and AIDS is the chief of making your immune system very weak, predisposing you to having all sorts of other disease conditions.